4 steps to relieve back pain. I have studied and taken courses in acupressure. Studied some on chiropractic. I also have looked into psychological issues to do with pain and medical problems. So now that you have a little about my background and what fuels my writing, let's get to the real content. I have found that 4 major things play an important part in your spine's health. First, there is posture. I know this is not the first time you have heard this, but it needs to be said again and again. Posture should be noted in sitting, standing, and sleeping. Start taking note of your posture at all times. If it is not straight, then start working on fixing it. The second thing on our list is the flexibility of your back. What you want to do when you notice your back goes out a lot and you experience pinched nerves is in getting your spine back into alignment and having it flexible. To get your back more flexible, you might want to learn Kundalini Yoga. Not all yoga styles are like those you may have seen on television, where they twist themselves up. Kundalini Yoga has very good and useful spinal exercises developed to help flexibility. Kundalini Yoga is also a spiritual tool to help before meditation as well. It is very important to strengthen your back and the surrounding muscles. This is the third step to a healthy back. Doing sit-ups is one such exercise. You do not have to do many sit-ups until you feel you can, step by step. Just remember, taking pain pills is okay when you really need them. But also remember that they do not heal the problem, they only mask the warning sign, they simply stop the warning sign, but not the underlying problem. The fourth and last step in back health is to start a daily stretching routine. You have seen cats and dogs stretch when they get up, try it for yourself. The key to back health is in keeping it actively flexible and strong, or well supported by the stomach and back muscles. Thanks for watching the video. Please check out hyacinthmoon.com for natural lifestyle products. And naturallifestylelounge.com for personal coaching. And don't forget to subscribe.